take a look at this diagram. I wish I have a bigger board. Now, in diagram below, O is the center of the circle. Of W, X, Y, Z. If X, W, Z, X, W, Z is 33 degrees, we should find X, O, Z. That is, X, O, Z is the angle here. So we want to find the angle at the center for this. And we should find X, Y, Z. We want to find this angle here. So those are the two things we are looking for. Now, if you look at this diagram very well, you can see that we have arc. Now, don't forget to trace your arc. If you look at the labeling, we have X here and we have Z. Now, if you look at this X, there's a straight line drawn from X to W. Do you get that now? If you look at this Z, there's a straight line drawn from Z to W to form an angle. So, it's telling us that this is the angle at the circumference for this arc XZ. Do you get that now? So to find that angle XOZ, now you are going to write XOZ is equals to 2 times 33 degrees. What is the reason? Because this is angle at the circumference and this is angle at the center. So the reason is angle at center, or you can write it in short like this. Angle at center twice angle at circumference of a circle. So this reason this reason is very, very important. Without this, you are not going to get a correct answer, a full mark. So we have, this is what, 66 degrees. So my XOZ, that is the angle at O, is what, 60 degrees for this arc SZ. Now, if you look at the second one, we have to find what? Y, X, Y, Z, the angle at Y here. Now, to get the angle at Y, we need to know that this angle at Y, there is where it's coming from somewhere. There is a straight line from this X to what? To Y. And there is a straight line from this Z to Y. And that angle is subtending this big arc here. The big arc, look at this, look at my hand. This big arc subtends to this circumference here. So, meaning that I need to get the reflex angle. Reflex angle. Reflex of this angle, XOZ. XOZ. And what is the reflex angle? Because I know this place to be 66 now. So, it's going to be 360 degrees minus what? Minus what? 66. And what is the reason? The reason is angle at the center is twice angle at a point is 360 degrees. Angle at a point. That's the reason. The angle at a point is what? 360 degrees. So that's the reason for that. So I will subtract that. So that will give me what? 294. 294 degrees. 360 minus 66 degrees. So that means I've gotten the reflex angle. That is the angle for the big arc here is 294 degrees. So for me to get this is now easy because I know the big arc subtends to this circumference. So I'm going to write that my XYZ is going to be 294 divided by 2. Reason, because angle at the center is twice angle at what? The circumference. So that's the reason. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So my XYZ, that is the angle at Y, will now be 147 degrees. So that's 147 degrees. Do you get that now? So can we quickly look at it? The first one, we are finding this angle at the center twice angle at the circumference. So that one is 66. And we have to find this. Before we can get this, we need to get the big angle here. And how do we get that? We say angle at a point is 360. So 360 minus 66, that's giving us 294. Do you get that now? So 294 divided by 2 will now give us what we are looking for. So let's play with examples.